Hello friends, my name is Deepak Bandari. Welcome to my LifePage. Today I'll speak about inventory management. Before that, let me introduce myself. I did my schooling in St. Joseph High School and my graduation in SBRR Mahajan College, Mysuru, and my masters in B.N. Bodhir Institute of Management, Science, University of Mysuru. Later on, I started my career with EMC Square as Operations Analyst. Now I'm working in IBM as a subject matter expert in inventory management. Inventory management is nothing but managing the inventory or stock as per the customer requirement for the need of the customer or for any other GOs to fulfill the customer's need. For example, being an AP analyzer, I'll be supporting US region as well as EMEA region for their requirement. Whenever there is requirement in AP region, we take a support from the other region. This is all about the inventory management. Is knowledge of supply chain management. Supply chain management is a vast topic wherein it is required for each and every day in the day-to-day life. For example, if we go to a grocery store, they need to stock the product for the customer. That will be not same kind, it will be a different product with the different companies. So it will be fulfilled by the dealer. Before that, it will be sold from the wholesalers. So this is how the supply chain management works. So let me take you from the first. The wholesaler, it will go to a middleman. After middleman, it will go to a salesperson who keeps in the shop. Then it will reach the customer. First is presentation skill. Presentation skill is one of the important skills we need to have because we need to interpret the performance of the product, how it is performing in the market and how it may go for another 5 years or probably like 10 years down the lane. Presentation skills is important so that we need to give the presentation to my managers or my peers or my counterpart of my regions, also my clients. By presentation skill, we will only convey the information. We can also impress the clients as well as we can improve our management skill. Next, of the inventory management is work from home. This is the flexibility which I have in my company. So I can perform my work in home for weekly 2 days. As I'm a homely person, I can have this privilege to ensure that I can work in home and enjoy the house environment as well as the professional environment. First is stocking. So stocking is one of the important part wherein we need to understand the warehouse capacity and the stock what we need to buy in a particular month or particular year. Stocking is one of the challenge because if we stock or if we overburden the stock, it may go waste because of the accreditation or because of the competitors' involvement in the market. So stocking is also one of the important part because this stock may cost more and we cannot afford or invest a lot of money in stocking one of the particular part. Early bird, I need to start my day by around 6 o'clock in the morning. So once I reach office, I'll be starting with my mails. Then I'll be getting the customer requirements with via mail and from the fax. So once I'm getting the mail, I'll look into the requirement of the customer and fill the stock where the stock has been dispatched to the customer, or what we can say is we need to refill the stock and then we need to have a clear report of the customer parts has been reached to the customer with 4 business hours. And once the customer is getting or fulfilled the stocks, we need to close the PO. So apart from this, I'll be interacting with my managers and discuss if there is any requirement for the particular parts, which is the no source part for any of the particular customer, we need to interact with the counterpart, with the region heads, or we need to have a talk, or we need to have a call connect with the procurement team to fulfill or to procure the stock. So this is how it goes in the day. My day ends with closing balance of a stock, or from the closing balance what I get the mails from the customer, what is the current situation, if there is work in progress, when can it be closed. So this is how the day goes. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this talk. I hope I have given you a balanced overview about inventory management. Thank you and have a nice day.